Hi guys, we are from the group 1. So today we want to share about the positive value on responsibilities in the tourism and hospitality workplace. The topic that we are choose is about positivity.
Before we are start our presentation, let's me introduce our group member. So my group member is, first of all, my name is Muhammad Hamirul Hafizan bin Muhammad Zaidi. The second presenter is Hainatul Husna binti Abdul Hadi. The next one is Nur Hamiza binti Mustaman, Siti Nur Fatihah binti Muhammad Sa'ad, and the last one is Nur Alia Izurah binti Ahmad Izwan.
Hi everyone and Assalamualaikum. My name is Hainatul Husna. So I'm going to explain about definition of positivity. Definition of positivity has two meanings, which is the quality or state of being positive and also something that is positive. Positivity is the practice or tendency to be positive or optimistic in life. When we are positive, we engage in positive thinking, have positive emotions, and engage in positive behaviors like kindness. All of this positivity contributes to positive outcomes like improved well-being and also mental health. So here are some examples of what each of these may include. For positive thinking, it's transforming negative thoughts into positive thoughts and also noticing positive aspects of situations. Next, positive emotions that include happiness, enthusiasm, contentment, and also joy. And lastly, for positive behaviors are practicing random act of kindness, living healthier by creating a healthy lifestyle, and doing good things for the world. Moving on to the last slide. Okay, now what is positivity in the workplace? The 6 essentials of workplace positivity model includes positive thinking, positive relationships, strength, empowerment, meaning, and also well-being. The way we think has a powerful effect on our emotions and also our behaviors. It even affects our abilities. So next, I'm going to pass this to the next presenter. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I'm the next presenter, Nur Hamiza binti Mustaman. And the topic that I will present to everyone here is the benefit of having positivity in workplace. So for my part, I will explain to you guys about the benefit of having positivity in workplace. First thing first, creating a motivating work environment. Positivity in workplace can lead to a good and positive environment. It will lighten up the mood and brings more energy to serve customer. It can bring a good effect to customer too because customer will be treated in such good quality of customer service. So for the second one, able to converse professionally with customers. Having positivity in mind while working will shape us being professional in our work. As it's saying, we will be able to serve customers with so much professionalism and satisfy them. Positivity indeed brings the best outcome in our lifestyle as a worker. And the third one is we can have productive atmosphere. Productive atmosphere will make all the workers love their job even more and have no stress while working. It will also can attract customers' attention. Plus, having productive atmosphere will maybe lessen a little bit of Monday blues that everyone has been feeling. So now we move on to the fourth one. It can improve employee morale. Improve employee morals means it will help their mental health in work and as well as their professionalism in work. Hence, it will bring joy for customer who comes to them. The fifth benefit is it can help to increase collaboration among the industry. Having positivity in workplace is so important to attract customer as well as another company. A good customer service will have a big impact such as a good review and rating from customers. So being said like that, it will get attention to not just people but another great company. So it is a good chance to collab with another company within industry to help the industry grow more bigger. And last but not least, able to maintain relationships with fellow employees. Relationship with fellow employees is as important as other things in workplace. Being in a good relationship with fellow employees will make work way easier. The positivity in each employee will bring positive effects such as they're able to serve customer with a good service, bright smile and sincere heart, and there is no doubt that customer will be happy and comfortable. So that's all from me. And now we will move on to the next part. Gladly passing this to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm Muhammad Hamirul Hafizan bin Muhammad Zaidi. My number matric is 17HL21F1056.
So I will continue the presentation with adverse effect when you are not be positive person in tourism and hospitality workplace.
So they have a 6 adverse effect of not being positive person in workplace. So for the number 1 is resulting in the client loss. When we do not establish a good attitude in ourselves, such as a simple grin while greeting customer, the customer will feel as though he is not invited to that location, and the customer will most likely choose or visit another location and they have more attractive. This is why initial impression or first impression in customer service are so essential. So for the second one, tame the reputation of that place. Okay, it might signify that the company where work has received several accolades for the customer service or other reasons. So if we bring our nasty attitude to work for any causes, whether it's a quarrel with the family or whatever else, the tips is indirectly ruin the name of that place. For the number 3, the likelihood of the catching fight is high. When we repeatedly do the same thing at work, for example, treat the customer rudely and the customer report it to the managers, we may forgiven for the first time. But if we are do the same thing again, we will most certainly be fired by that place or that work. For the number 4, the working environment become unproductive when we are not joyful at work and simplies create unfunny expressions such as a poor mood face. Other friends are hesitant to approach us and converse, making our atmosphere dreary. For the number 5, might result in squabbles among the staff or guests or the customer. When we are unpleasant to our bosses or other workers or the customers, it is likely to cause verbal squabbles. But if they have lost their temper, it may result in a fight and maybe can be dangerous for the other guests, for the other customer, or for the other workers. So for the last one is customer will feel uneasy if we do not maintain a happy mood, such as a smile while meeting people or bring the difficulties to work. And some the client come in and we deliver a less excellent or more appealing service to them, they will feel less uncomfortable dealing with us. So we continue our presentation with Nur Fatihah.
Hi everyone and Assalamualaikum. I am the next presenter, Siti Nur Fatihah. I will continue this presentation by presenting the next topic, which is how to be positive. Did you know be positive also decrease our physiological reactivity to stress and improve immune system response, which is people who experience greater positivity take better care of themselves by eating nutritious foods, sleeping adequately, and exercising. So, how to be positive? This is the way to be positive. First, spend time with positive people. Think about the people you spend time with, the person you hang out will scrape you off if you are around negative people who always complaining about everything. So you need to try to connect with people who like their jobs and have new ideas. It will make you interested in a lot of other things besides your work. Remember, you can pick your coworker, but you can be conscious about how much time you spend with them. So the second is practice positive self-talk. We always tend to be the hardest on ourselves and be our own work critic, and this can cause you to form a negative option of yourself. So you need to pay attention to the voice in your head and respond with positive messages. Know as positive self-talk? Here is an example of positive self-talk. I will try it again with a different way. It's better than I really messed that up. For the third is exercise regularly. According to a study published in the Journal of Happiness Studies, people who exercise only 10 minutes a week tended to be happier than those who had never exercised. You know, exercise can release your stress. So, for the next is focus on keeping the tone positive. Regardless of the direction of the conversation, it is important to maintain empathy and positivity at all a time. Your thankfulness, dedications, and self-confidence in solving problems can keep customers calm and get through when they're frustrated. And remind the customer that the problem has been resolved and you will handle it. They will make less presenters or complaining, and customer will feel safe. For the next is lean on your team for support. Everyone knows that relationship with boss and coworker can affect job certifications. It is important to invest in team times and foster a culture of support, good energy, and empathy. Remember, don't be afraid to ask for help and become a support system for your teammates, okay? So, for the last but not least is, don't forget this, okay? Which is self-reward. This is your permission to celebrate a small victory with a reward, and thank yourself when you help someone or solve a tricky problem. That moment can increase your self-confidence and motivations. Think about your career and how the little hurdles you jump to bring you closer to your goals. So I will pass the next presenter.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Binti. So today I will be talking about conclusion and reason to be positive in customer service. As the conclusion, employees need to adopt a positive attitude in themselves. This is because attitude symbolizes the personality of an employee. If employees are always positive, customers will find it easier to interact with them. It will also bring a good two-way interaction between customers and employees. For example, customers will feel comfortable dealing with employees who give off positive values. Also, as a professional employees, they need to be efficient in managing their emotion. They should never associate personal problem with their work as it will damage the image of the employee and the image of the company as well. The positive attitude given to customers by employees will make them happy and satisfied with the service experience. Customers will give a good review and recommend the same service to their family members and friends. With this, the company can raise their brand and employee can improve their work morale. The first reason to be positive is it will result in positive reviews and a positive brand image. customers will leave reviews based on how they were treated during their stay. If the service is good and honest, customers will leave the best reviews. This can simultaneously attract more customers and increase brand image as well. Second is builds trust and loyalty. When the customers already put their trust into the company, they will become loyal. Through this loyal and trust, the company can also indirectly receive profit. When the company makes a lot of profit, the employer will give bonuses or salary increase to employees, and this also will further raise their work morale. Third is making it easy for customers to do business with you. Customers would be more likely to do business with you if you provide excellent customer service. Customers also more likely to return and do business with you if they have a positive experience with your company. Next is boost employees' retention. Employees want to work for businesses that are fair to their customers. When your employees see that your company is committed to providing excellent customer service, they are more likely to become brand ambassadors. They are more also likely to stay with the company and devote themselves fully to their work. Last is give you a competitive advantage. Customer service does more than just attract new customers and keep old ones coming back. It also distinguishes you from the competition. By providing best-in-class customer service, you are associating values with your company's brand, enhancing your market reputation, and demonstrating that you care about the people who buy your products and service. That's all from me. Thank you.